Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's been a while. I've just been so busy with work and school, but anyways, excited for the holidays, for fall, winter, Christmas, all of that. Anyway, so in today's video, we're going to do a quick little sticker unboxing. Jin is coming out with his album. I'm super excited and happy for him, and so I purchased all Jin theme. I think it's all the Jin themed stickers. They're so freaking cute. They're from my favorite sticker shop. I'll link them down below. So yeah, let's open them up. These are so freaking cute. So yeah, again, it's from my favorite sticker store. I'll link them down below. They added a couple things. So now they're offering these fun bookmarks. How cute is this? And another thing is, I think they're giving you a choice as an option if you want it to be holographic. Super cute. So yeah, these are the ones that I purchased. So I don't know, are these freebies? I don't even remember what I purchased because I got these a while back. I just haven't had time to unbox it. So yeah, here's Jen. Here's the bookmark, this one. So yeah. How cute is this? So yeah, I'm guessing these might be free because I don't think I purchased these. So these ones might be freebies, but these ones I did purchase. So I got all of the Jin ones that she added to the store a while back. Again, I've been so busy with work. I haven't really done any shopping or anything besides working. So yeah. These are the freebie ones, the little mini size. And here they are. Jin, when he did the meet and greet thing. How cute are these? This one is when before he left to the military. Remember that one video that he did? And then when he came back, I got it. I was like, okay. And then the Super Tuna. Oh my god, that song is so funny. But yeah, these are the ones that I purchased. I'm so excited to add these to my collection. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's the whole video. And yeah, stay tuned. Check out his album. I think it comes out next week, right? I have so much to catch up on now that I'm officially over for Halloween season from work and everything. So yeah, I have a lot of videos that I need to watch. So yeah, I'm doing the video when I have more things to show you guys. Okay, quickly, the last thing. So I placed an order from ColourPop. They were having a sale, and so I thought I would take advantage of it because I've been wanting a couple things. But if you've been following me, I do try to be cautious, when I buy things. And so yeah, like I bought this a couple weeks ago. They've just been on my desk. And now I have time, now that I'm finally done with Halloween season, to put things away and try out some new stuff. So I've been wanting their, what are these, like the lip changing balms or whatever's from their Pokemon collection. So yeah, I got these two. Of course I gotta get Pikachu. I'm telling you, ColourPop be going all out on their packaging. It's so adorable. It's so hard, to throw it to the trash. Like, you want to collect everything. So I got that. And then the sad part about this sale is that they're gonna discontinue so many things, and I'm so sad because I love their Super Shock blushes, especially the ones that have like the pearl effect on them. Everything was sold out. So yeah, so the one that has a little like pearl effect on there, like the little shimmer on it, beautiful blushes. I don't know why they're gonna discontinue them, but they are, and I'm so sad. I'm really, really sad because these are my favorite. I already have two that I'm trying to make last. So I have this one that's all laced up, and this one which is at first blush. Beautiful, beautiful blushes. So yeah, I don't know why. And then the one that I purchased is chiffon. I got the last one. So yeah, everything's like out of stock basically. But yeah, I don't know why they're gonna discontinue. I'm kind of confused, but a little sad about it. But yeah, these are my favorite blushes that I've been wearing in the past like 2 years. So yeah. Okay, and then their Sailor Moon collection. I think it was also on sale. Yeah, I'm pretty sure. And so I finally grabbed a couple items. So I got their, what is this? Their eyeshadow. Yeah, face gloss. Let's see, let me open it up. I know que codos ni que me echaron todo, mira, está half empty. Anyways, yeah, I have not tried this formula, so excited to try this. And then I also got their gloss sets because for some reason I've been into glosses right now. And so I purchased both. This one, the lip bundle. The second bundle that I purchased. Super cute packaging. Obsessed. Yeah, let me open it up so I can show you guys. I just been grabbing my lip glosses and putting that on and calling it a day. So excited to try these ones out. This one has shimmer. Can you see? These are the other two. So I'm guessing one is just regular gloss and the other one has a little bit of shimmer. But yeah, really, really cute colors. Oh, and then I also bought more of the Kat Von D. These are my favorite, okay? When it comes to eyeliner, I love the KVD Beauty, the tattoo liner ones. I recommend 100%. I think it's worth the money. I also purchased the mascara, but I already used it. I already opened it up. So yeah, I got a bunch because I like to stock up on that. Because I'm always wearing eyeliner. That's the only thing that I wear on a daily basis. But yeah. Oh, and then, so I purchased these rollers from Amazon. I have not opened them up yet and tried it out. But I have tried this, okay? So I purchased this 6-in-1 wand. I used it when I got ready for my brother's wedding a couple weeks ago, and really interesting. Love the concept. You get different wands. That you connect. Hold on. Where is it at? Oh wait, hold on. I already have put it away. But anyways, so yeah, you get this main wand and then you can detach it from here, and then you have these other widths so you can switch them out. I want to say, I'll double check, but I think this kit cost me under $50. So I was really, really happy. You know, I curled my hair and my mom's hair with it. It worked out great. Loved it. It's easy to travel with too, like if you have a bag and you know, because I know my brother's girlfriend, she wanted the bigger one and I didn't take it with me. Like, I regretted it. So yeah, she likes like bigger chunkier curls. And so yeah, if you have like a bag where you could put everything in there, it'll be easy to travel with. So yeah, if you guys want to see a video on this, I'll definitely do it for you guys. Just let me know. But yeah, I thought it was definitely worth the money on this. And yeah, okay, that's pretty much it. Okay, I'm done with the video and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.